You may never get there.
Perfect. And then you're just gonna, yep, bring it up. Perfect. Just make it nice and snug. You always want them snug around the legs, because otherwise some days you get leaks. No, that's perfect. Where you do it's fine. Because he's little enough now, they're going to practically wrap around him. Now later on he'll grow and it won't be quite so loose. But yep, perfect. And you want to take the cord and put it up above so that it gets exposed to the air. Later on we'll be doing alcohol, what you guys will do when you're in the room. Every time you change him, the cord doesn't have any nerve endings, but you want it to dry, and alcohol is a drying agent. So you'll just take and rub it on all sides of it. See, he's not even squawking. Sometimes they'll squawk if it touches their belly because it's cold. But there's no nerve endings, so don't be afraid you're going to hurt him by doing that.
Okay.
Okay? Every time you change him, even if you check him, go ahead and check that. So, you put his hat on him? Okay.
We have UA containers in here.
I have one in my pocket.
I have it.
Yeah, because it's the one I used for that straight cut just a little bit ago.
What do I do now? You just, I'm going to get you situated.
I'll put a little hat on you.
Gotta get up and walk around now. No.
Soon, soon.
I can't even walk.
How about if we'll fix you up to where you can order food now? How's that for a better deal?
I can't walk.
Should feel pretty well exhausted. I'll reach in here. Where you check? Yeah.
It don't matter, Abe.